Welcome to the Cover Your Assets podcast, a show for the physician who understands the importance of protecting everything you've worked so hard to achieve. If you're ready to find the peace of mind that only financial security can bring, let's get started. Here's your host, Billy Gwaltney.
Hello, welcome to today's episode of the Cover Your Assets podcast. I'm your host, Billy Gwaltney. It's cool to be with you today. Our topic today is the process for enrolling in the Guardian Guaranteed Standard Issue disability policy. If you're a resident or fellow, and I'm one of the approved brokers at certain locations for the Guardian GSI program, and we've discussed quotes and you've seen the rates and you are thinking about enrolling, the process is really quick. It's very simple. It's all electronic. The next step would be us emailing you a link to fill out a pre-application form that should take you about 10 minutes at the most. Again, you do that electronically. Then you would e-sign the application that Guardian sends you. That probably takes 3 to 5 minutes to review and e-sign. And then that's it for you. There's no additional steps necessary, no medical screening, no medical questions, just a few gatekeeper questions about how long you've been at work and that kind of thing. You'll see that on the pre-application form. Processing and turnaround time is anywhere from 24 hours to 2 weeks, just depending on backlog and how busy they are. We are in touch with the underwriters every day, and they communicate and deliver everything electronically, and we get that to you for delivery and e-signature once it's processed. The process has never been this easy, this quick, this simple, and this electronic. So we're thankful for that. And it's important to understand that the one deal killer for this is if you apply for coverage with a different company and receive any kind of modification or exclusion, or you're declined, or you even postpone an application. If you do, and then try to switch to the Guardian GSI, that can be a deal killer. They do not make exceptions for that. And it's really important to apply for the GSI first. So that's the only kind of caveat to this not working for you if you are a trainee at one of these locations, one of these training facilities. So hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to message me. You can text me at 704-270-2376, and I would be happy to answer questions. 704-270-2376. We can talk in more detail. Hopefully this has been helpful. It is that simple. Look forward to hopefully speaking with you soon. Thank you as always for your time.
Thanks for listening to the Cover Your Assets podcast, a Work P2P production. New episodes drop every 2 weeks. If you've enjoyed the conversation, subscribe, rate, and review this podcast. For more tips and advice, visit the website and YouTube channel. Check the show notes for links. Join us next time for another episode dedicated to helping physicians like you get your disability insurance right and protect your way of life.